12 awesome ideas to make money with YouTube without filming yourself. Share. Tweet. Pin. Do you intend to make money on YouTube, but you don't like to show your face? Most people overlook the idea of launching a YouTube channel since they don't want to be seen on the videos they post. Maybe they're shy to display their image on YouTube or afraid of being judged by the viewers. In this article, we'll share some of the ways to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Quick ways to make money. 1. Vindale Research. This site offers quick surveys with very competitive rates of pay. 2. Survey Junkie. This is one of the most established paid survey sites. We love them. 3. Inbox Dollars. If you want to make some quick cash watching ads, playing games, or completing paid surveys, you might like Inbox Dollars. How much can you make on YouTube? YouTubers make money through ad monetization, selling sponsored placement in the videos, and using affiliate links. On your YouTube channel, you can generate income from adverts on a CPC, CPV, and CPM basis. If you're earning through CPM, cost per impression, you can make an average of $3 to $25 for 1,000 views depending on your channel niche. If you want to use affiliate marketing, advertisers send the payment in various models, usually cost per lead or cost per sale. This means that your income correlates with the sale and conversion commission you receive from advertisers. You can sell placements for sponsored goods and services on your channel. Here, you will generate income by selling a short mention or extended product recommendations on business that require exposure. Nevertheless, if you've managed to build a large following on your YouTube channel, companies will pay you. The price might range from $20 to $50 for every 1,000 views you receive on your YouTube channel. For instance, if their content on your channel reaches 1 million views, you can earn up to $50,000. This, of course, depends on how profitable your niche is. This is one of the best ways to monetize your channel when you do not have many views. Let's look at the ways to make YouTube videos without displaying your face. 1. Create podcasts. Podcast content is mainly in the audio form, so you can make podcasts if you're afraid of showing your face in the videos. Launch a podcast on any niche you love. You can use a static image, moving graphics or logo, and record your content and upload it on your channel. You can as well use infographics. 2. Make cooking videos without displaying your face. Do you love cooking? Then you can launch a YouTube cooking channel that you don't have to show your face. Show the cooking ingredients and project the camera to the oven or cooker and show your viewers stirring and mixing things. With only your hand, you can make breathtaking cooking videos without displaying your face. If you love to make delicious meals or perform various experiments with food, create videos and share it with your audience. 3. Gaming YouTube channel. Make videos with gameplay videos. Gaming is among the most lucrative niches on YouTube. The majority of successful YouTubers began with gameplay videos and streaming games. For instance, PewDiePie began as a gamer and is one of the most successful YouTubers with many subscribers. If you think starting with a gaming channel is hard, you can make voiceover videos on different niches using gameplay videos. You can make roast videos, updates channel, or YouTube news using a gameplay video. 4. Make animation videos. Making animation videos is a great way to create YouTube videos without displaying your face. If you are skilled at making animation videos, you can do it on your own, or hire a professional from Upwork or Fiverr to do the work. Animation videos are used in various niches. You can make entertainment, cartoon, explainer, or how tutorials using animation videos. 5. Screen recording videos. Probably, you've come across tutorials on YouTube where makers explain how to do things online by recording their mobile phone or PC screen. You can make these screen recording videos and create a YouTube channel. Software like Camtasia will help you ensure the project is successful. With the help of this software, you can make how-to videos and tutorials on various topics such as how to register a site or service online, installing and using software. 6. Travel videos. Travel is among the most prominent categories on YouTube. If you're a savvy traveler, then you can make videos about your trips without displaying your face. Get your camera, take stunning shots of the sites you visit and make interesting videos. You might also include drone shots. 7. Product reviews and DIY videos. This is another perfect idea to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Make videos reviewing various products, displaying the item in your hand or displaying the item. Additionally, unboxing products is another best way to create videos if you don't want to show your face. This is a great way to become an Amazon associate and earn big money. You need to show your hands unboxing the products from the container and describe what it is and give a review. DIY is also another perfect way to create awesome YouTube videos even if you don't want to show your face. 8. Using presentation slides. You can make voiceover videos using presentation slides made from Keynotes or Microsoft PowerPoint. Furthermore, you can make slides using Google Slides and then use them to make videos. These are ideal for making explanatory videos. With the use of simple designs and animation, you will make YouTube videos that look professional. Besides, PowerPoint comes with a feature that allows you to record your slideshows and send them as videos. If you want to make YouTube videos without showing your face, presentation videos can be an excellent way to launch your YouTube channel. 9. Music videos. If you want to compose your songs and share them on your channel, then you can do that without exposing your face. You can do this by recording yourself using a musical instrument without showing the face. Or, you can show the album cover and play your songs in the background. You can also show the lyrics such that your fans will sing along. 10. Stock footage. Do you love making stories of different things? Then, stock images allow you to create a slideshow to tell your stories. You can create a collection of stock videos and pictures. With a little bit of editing, you can make stunning videos. You can use stock images available for free from different websites like Unsplash and also free stock videos from sites like Pixabay and Pexels. 11. Family members or actors. By the fact that you're afraid to be seen on YouTube, that doesn't imply other people don't want to feature in your YouTube channel. You can cast your sibling, friend, or even an actor as the character as you do the behind-the-scenes thing. There are many channels doing that, for example by recording your child and they are making a killing out of it. 12. Recording pets. A while ago, it appeared that there were many dog videos than other things on YouTube. Surprisingly, people do enjoy these videos and also other pet videos. If you're afraid to be seen on YouTube and you love pets, you can create their channel. Types of monetization. 1. Google AdSense. This is where Google pays you to place ads on your video. This is the main way for YouTube monetization or the YouTube Partner Program. This is how most YouTubers make an income, although it is probably not the best to rely on forever. To enable AdSense on your videos, you'll need to get about 1,000 subscribers and 4K watch hours on your channel and have good copyright and community reputation. 2. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to monetize your channel is through affiliate links. This is promoting other people's products for a commission. You can promote products you love and actually use while earning a commission for every sale that happens through your content. Amazon has the biggest affiliate program and should have everything you need to make a nice affiliate income from videos. 3. Merch. Using a site like Printful to sell merch like t-shirts and coffee mugs is one of the go-to monetization methods for many YouTubers. With Printful and many of other merch sites, you just have to upload a unique design and sell all kinds of products online with that design on it. When people buy it, the website takes care of manufacturing, packing, shipping, customer support for you for a small commission. 4. Ebooks. Another way to make passive income online is to sell ebooks. If you have an educational channel with a decent amount of subscribers, chances are those subscribers believe you are an expert on the subject you educate them on. Therefore, some of them will probably be willing to buy a book that teaches them more in depth about the subjects you talk about on YouTube. As far as where to sell ebooks, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is still the best place for that. Tips for making money with YouTube. The majority of people consider YouTube as a platform to get instructional videos, get entertained through music, or waste time. However, other people will consider YouTube as a great source of income for their online activities. If you haven't started earning from YouTube, it's time you consider this venture. Let's look at how to make money using YouTube. Sign up for a YouTube account and turn on AdSense. To earn money with a YouTube channel, create an account first. If you're already using a Gmail account or any other product that needs a Google account, then you already have a YouTube account. Once your account is set, link it to the AdSense account. AdSense is the main advertising tool for Google that uses its own website and collaborates with websites like YouTube. When creating the AdSense account, you will be required to provide payment details and give tax reporting details, like social security number. Make videos without showing your face. Creating engaging videos is your next step. Some of the popular videos comprise professionally designed videos and unrehearsed videos produced with a smartphone. If you plan to create your videos using your phone, you already have your camera on your hand. Creating videos in HD will give you a high-quality video. So, make sure you use the highest quality on your smartphone. When done with recording, edit your content with programs such as Windows Movie Maker or use Adobe Premiere that has stable features. There are plenty of free video editing software that you can use if you are tight on money. Upload the videos to your channel and configure for SEO. Since you have the video, it's time to post it on your channel. Click on the upload pointer to add your videos to YouTube. You can also drag and drop them from your PC directly to the uploader. Once you've uploaded the video, start filling out details about it. Make sure you are detailed when giving your video description, tag category, and title. YouTube is one of the leading search tools, and a good SEO will make your videos attract many views. Promote your videos. Promote your content on blogs, social media networks, message boards, and forums. Embed your content on other websites or hyperlink to the content such that views can access it on your channels. Some factors will define your payment from AdSense. This includes how many views your videos have, the kind of advertisers that show up on the video, and the number of times people click on the ads. Final word. Perhaps you want to make money with YouTube, but you're afraid to show your face. This shouldn't deter you from achieving your goals. So, we believe that this list of ideas to make YouTube videos without showing your face will motivate you to launch a YouTube channel.
Check my number one recommendation if you are serious about making money online by clicking the link in the description below this video. https://linktr.ee/Mohammed Also, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe.